Welcome back to the channel and a quick video on how to change TR6 transmission oil. So changing the transmission oil on a TR6 is actually a relatively simple job, but sometimes knowing where the right points are to fill and how much to fill is not always straightforward.
So first thing you need to do is remove the old oil from the gearbox, and there you can see the bolt on the bottom of the gearbox, which is the drain plug, and to open that you'll need a 3/4 spanner in order to release it. So by undoing that you can release all the oil, and then once all the oil is drained out, refit the plug, ready to fit new oil.
So here we've got the TR6 transmission. It's in the car, it's missing its cover, so you can see all the internals and what's going on there. So it's a good time to see how to top up the oil. The TR6 transmission comes in two parts, typically the main gearbox, and some will have the optional overdrive on, like this one does. So the filler for the transmission oil is on the left side, looking towards the front of the car, or the right if you're looking from the front of the car. And if I zoom in here, what we've got is this little connector here, which you can use a 7/16 spanner on to unscrew. So first thing you've got to do is take this off and get access to this hole here. Here without the cover on, it's an easy job to do, but if your cover is on from underneath the car, you've got to go through this gap here up to here. Doing this job, one of these then is absolutely invaluable. Get it from your local auto store, in the UK probably about £10. What it is it's suction pump, so you can suck the oil out of the canister where you get it from, and then use it to just push the oil into the hole. Nice and easy. So in terms of capacity, you're going to need to put 2.4 US pints or 1.13 litres, or if the car has an overdrive, 4.2 US pints or 2 litres of oil in order to fill it up. That gets me on to what oil, of course, to put in, and oil is always a source of massive debate. If you go online, you'll get recommendations, anything from straight 30-weight engine oil through to high point oil. So I'm going to go with the specification. The specification is for GL4 EP90. So I'm going with this EP 80 weight 90 GL4 mineral oil. I've got an overdrive, so 2 litres should do it. So we're going to fill the oil up to the hole, and you know it's full when the oil starts to drip out of the hole, as it's got nowhere else to go, so it starts to come out. At that point it's full, and we can put the bung back in and tighten it up. So this particular brand of oil comes with a really handy spout with an extendable tube on it. That's going to be really useful to get into the hole from a different angle, so that might actually save me using the siphon.
On the TVs in the sixth form, they've put on there.
So there we go, 2 litres of oil in, tightened up, ready to go. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for your comments. See you on the next video.